Well, as I said, we belong to a Yiddish circle, and we meet once a month, and we read Yiddish books. Uh, we don't speak too much Yiddish, but from time to time a little bit. There really is nobody that there's a need to speak Yiddish, though my wife speaks Yiddish as fluently, probably even better than I do. It's interesting about speaking Yiddish. I think in Yiddish very often, very deep, complex thoughts, completely in Yiddish. But there's some sort of a disconnect between the mind and the tongue. So that if I have to speak it, it doesn't come out as fluently as it did